Traffic. Trucks are all stuck in the middle of the road. So we bought some barbecues, some Weber's here, and we're gonna start grilling for the boys. Pretty awesome turnout.
Have you guys seen any garbage around the board? No, but we brought some garbage.
Get these guys some pork chops. Thank you to John for that. Say what's up, Brian.
Hey, how's it going, guys? Helping out, day 3.
That's it. Got to keep these guys fed. We got a little group congregating here. Got our grills going. We're cooking chops for the boys. Making sure everybody's fed. So don't believe that media when they say that we're robbing from the homeless, because that's bullshit. Yeah, so we got quite the little setup here. We're in the middle of the street. Got our fire pit going. Meeting people from all over the place. Literally, middle of traffic, people everywhere. All these truckers are stuck here, but we're making sure that everybody's getting something to eat. And yeah, it's cold as shit. I can't feel my face, but we're gonna keep on keeping on. This is our little setup right now. Got a nice little fire pit going. Hanging out in the street. Say what's up, everybody.
Hey guys.
Hey there.
We feeding you? We taking care of everybody?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Big crowd just left.
We have recently switched to drinking water bottles out of when we have water bottles.